Hello, this video is going to show you how to use some of the report tools. On this one here, we're just going to focus more on seeing reports based on how many jobs you're doing and how much labor you've been using to do those jobs. Do note there's more reports by clicking on that tab here, which will take you to the tracking end of the system. And you've got other reports like stock in use, which is really good to see a live glance of how many signs and cones are out there at any one point of time and that sort of thing. Also, we've got back in the reports, we've got gear left out, time machine reports, hours reports. A lot of companies, bigger companies, are asking for how many hours did you do for us this month from a risk, health, safety point of view, and a few other of those things in there. It's all pretty self-explanatory. Most people that are dabbling in this area would understand a lot of these reports. But however, I'll just jump back to the calendar. And just a wee tip here, obviously when you log in to Road Direct System, it generally defaults to the screen. To get where we're going is up the top, go all the way along to reports, to the arrow there, and that'll take you to the reports where we just were, and then you've got that link there that can link you back to the deeper reports in the tracking system, which is more financial side of things. This one here is a great way to look over time. You could set a date range and then get chart data as just on average how many jobs you're doing over that period of time. So you set the date range, and then it will tell you how many labour jobs you've been doing over time, and you've got the dates down the bottom. And the more data you got here, the more it gets interesting. I'm just going to give you a quick peek today of how to use it. If you want to just look on like how many site visits or the unattended sites you got per day, you can change it to that, or how many hours in total you were expected to do over time, and then the actual work hours per day. So you might just look over the month and see, oh, this week was busy and this or that, or you might load this page and look at a certain period of the year or the whole year, and then you could duplicate this tab, which we all know how to duplicate this tab. So you leave this one open, and you can look at the previous year and then compare those two charts to see how much your resources are being used. And it's just another good way to then obviously see, we look at Xero and other MYOB and other accounting software, we look financial, but this might show you whether you're up on jobs, down on jobs, and what type of jobs. So yeah, that's pretty much the nuts and bolts of it. Keep your eye out on this space, because we are adding a lot more reports coming. To know what they are or what's coming, just reach out. We'll let you know, and as they've been released, we'll definitely be sending updates on them. So this is one area that's growing quite rapidly. Thank you very much for watching.